Hello everyone, Namaste. Please sit down. Any comfortable pose like Sukhasana, like half lotus pose or like full lotus pose. Any comfortable pose, sit down. Now make a chin mudra. Now put your wrist on your knee. We do first relaxation. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Take inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now we do Om chanting 3 times. Inhale. 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 Feel the positive vibration. My mind is completely relaxed. Thought like that. My body is completely relaxed. I am healthy. I am relaxing. We are blessed to God. We are grateful to God. Now we do prayer. Close your eyes. Make a prayer mudra. Now we do prayer first. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiv Bandhana Mrityurmokshi Yamavrutat Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Yogena Chityasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vedakenam Yogam Kartam Pranavam Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliyanutasmi Avakrishyakaram Shankhachakra Sitarinam Sahasrashisham Svetam Pranamami Patanjalim Pranamami Patanjalim Pranamami Patanjalim Sahinavavatu Sahino Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavati Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now rub your palm, make a heat. Now place your palm on your eyes. My mind is completely relaxed. My body is completely relaxed. Thought like that. While gently open your eyes, look up at your palms, arms down. Now we do warm up first. Open your both arms, shoulders should be one line. Now rotate your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. Now hold your shoulder with your both hands. Now elbows together. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. Opposite side rotation, shoulder rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now arms down. Now we do neck exercise first. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now inhale, coming center. Now turn your head on the right side. Look right side. Exhale. Inhale, coming center. Exhale to the left side. Coming center, inhale. Exhale to the right side. Coming center, inhale. Exhale to the left side. Now coming center. Now drop your head on the right shoulder. Look up. Exhale. Stretch your left side neck muscles very gently. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale, left shoulder. Coming center, inhale. Drop your head on the right shoulder, look up. Coming center, inhale. Exhale, drop your head on the left shoulder, look up. Now coming center. Now exhale, rotate your head, chin to chest first. Now inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now anti-clockwise, reverse side. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down, chin to chest. Keep normal breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now coming center, inhale. Now open your both arms forward. Open your finger wide. Now make a fist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make a fist. Rotate your wrist first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now arms down. Now drop your right palms on the right side. Lift your left hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Coming center, inhale. Drop your left elbow on the left side. Right hands up. Stretch your right hand small. Coming center, inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now lift your both arms up. Cross your both fingers, palm facing up. Look up. Stretch your neck muscles. Expand your lungs. Expand your chest. Keep normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Exhale, arms down. Now one more time. Inhale, lift your both arms up. We go for the forward bending. Exhale, drop your both palms on the floor. Stretch your both arms forward. Lengthen your back. Go down more as you can. Hold it. Keep normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now hold your right knee with your left hands. Right hands back. We go for the twisting. Right hands back. Look at your right thumb. Now stretch your right arm small. Coming center. Inhale. Opposite side. Exhale. Twist more. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Arms down. Now relax your legs. Open your legs wide. Both arms back. Relax your feet first. Now feet together. Stretch your leg forward, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rotate your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now relax your knee. Very good. Now bend your right leg, knee facing up. Now hold your right leg with your both hands. Inhale, lengthen your back. Lift your right legs up toward your chest. Make sure your knee should be locked. Hold it. Breathe normal. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your legs down again. Lift your right legs up 45-degree angles. Lift your both arms up and look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs down, arms down. Now we do go for the backward bending pose. Bend your right leg. Both arms behind your back, near your finger inside, behind your hips. Now lift your hip up. Open your shoulder. Keep normal breathing. Lift your hip up more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your legs down. Now right leg forward. Left leg bend. Hold your left leg with your both hands. Left leg up more toward your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your legs down. Again, lift your left legs up 45-degree angles. Lift your both arms up and look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Legs down, arms down. Now both arms behind your hips, finger inside little bit. Now bend your legs. Lift your hip up. Drop your head back. Keep normal breathing. Stretch your neck muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hips down. Left leg forward. Now bend your right leg. Drop your right knee on the floor. Lift your both arms up. Inhale. Keep your back straight. Lengthen your back. Exhale. Go down, down, down more. If you are advanced practitioner, you can hold your block. And keep normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Arms down. Now interlock your both fingers on the back side. Inhale. Exhale. Head down. Try to touch your head to knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Arms down. Now right hands behind your back, behind your hips. Left hands forward first. Now lift your hip up. Rotate your arms, left arms. And bend your back more as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Drop your hips down. Very good. Now right leg forward. Bend your left leg. Drop your left knee on the floor. Inhale. Lift your both arms up. Exhale. Go down more. 5, 4. Lengthen your back. Drop your head on the knee. 5. Stretch your both arms, or otherwise drop your elbow on the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Now interlock your both fingers on the back side. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your head down more. Stretch your arms muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale. Arms down. Now left Left hands behind your hip, right hands forward. Now lift your hip up, rotate your right arms over your head, bend your back more. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center, inhale, exhale. Now release your left leg forward. Now right leg right side. Now hold your right ankles with your right hand. Lift your left hands up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center. Now hold your left ankles with your left side. Lift your right hands up. Drop your right elbow on the floor. Right hands up more. Go down. 5. Feel the stretch in your right side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now right leg forward. Left leg 180 degree. Left leg stretch more. Now hold your left ankles with your left hands. Lift your right hands up more. Hold it. Drop your head down more. 5. Keep normal breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Coming center. Inhale. Exhale, arms down. Now hold your right ankles with your right hands. Lift your left hands up. Open your chest. Exhale. Go down more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, arms down. Now both legs forward. Now bend your both legs. Feet together. Now hold your toes with your both hands. We go for the hip opening. Now lift your both legs up more as you can. Up more. Hold it. First. Then open your legs wide and knee lock. Hold it. Lengthen your back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now release your both leg. Relax few seconds.